Well, the weather's got me stuck inside today, so I figured it was a perfect time to tackle a project that's been needing some attention for a while. My pellet grill's been struggling to hold a consistent temperature lately. It'll run for a bit and run fine, then start wandering all over the place, not keeping a constant temperature, so I figured I'd clean it before I start throwing parts at it. First thing I did was pull the grates and give them a thorough scrubbing. Nothing fancy, just a steel brush followed by a nylon brush to knock off all the grease and the buildup for the last several cooks. Maybe the last year. I don't clean it too often, to be honest with you, so obviously I should do it more often. Once the grate was cleaned, I pulled the secondary heat shield. There was quite a bit of buildup underneath, which isn't surprising after a season or two of cooking. A lot of folks overlook this area, but all that grease, ash, and scale can affect airflow and heat distribution. Then, with everything removed, I vacuumed the entire grill. Ashes, loose scale, leftover debris, anything that could be restricting airflow got cleaned out. One thing I like to do when cleaning a pellet grill is burn the hopper empty before servicing it. It's a big thing that you need to do. That's exactly what I did here. I emptied the remaining pellets and then added them back after cleaning was complete. For pellets, I usually use the Walmart brand. I know everybody online has their favorite premium pellet company, but honestly, I've cooked a lot of food on the inexpensive stuff and haven't seen enough difference to justify paying significantly more. Before firing the grill back up, I always drop a handful of pellets directly into the fire pot. That's a little trick I use to help the heating element get things started quicker as the new pellets start making it down the tube. But got an experiment for today. Trying to get more airflow. I've been wondering if this grill simply isn't getting enough airflow, so I decided to drill a couple of small holes in the lid to increase circulation, and hopefully improve the temperature consistency. Time will tell if this helps, but sometimes you gotta try something and see what happens. Once everything is reassembled, pellets loaded, and the grill put back together, it was time for the moment of truth. Fired up all the way to max temperature. The goal wasn't to cook today, it was to test airflow, burn off any residual from the cleaning and how it affected after I did the modification. It seemed to work okay. After reaching max temp and holding steady, I shut it down and called it a successful maintenance day. Sometimes being a regular Joe isn't about fishing, camping, chasing adventures. Sometimes it's just about taking care of your equipment, solving problems, getting things ready for the next cook. We'll find out in the next video whether there's issue and back to the drawing board. Just a regular Joe, figuring things out one project at a time. See y'all next time.